Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to do a card process video. It's Valentine's Day theme, and I believe it's masculine theme. I think it is. So what I used in the video is an embellishment that I already made, and I did a separate tutorial on how to make this embellishment. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll link it somewhere in this video or in the description box below. But it came from Alina Craft store, and it looks like this. I also used one of the hearts from, I believe this may be a standalone set, but you can buy it in a combo set with this ribbon, but I used this heart. And then this is also a standalone die, but it came, it goes along with the hibiscus set, but I used like a partial cut from this to pair up with the wood slice or tree ring, whatever you want to call it. So I use that. I'm also going to use some background stamps. This Heidi Swapp. So it goes with the heart theme. I also use like an arrow for the heart. So I also want to use like some backgrounds for the arrow, and I also use a Heidi Swapp wood grain background just to keep with the tree wood theme. I use some Memento Cocoa Rich ink, versamark inks because I'm doing some gold embossing, and some glue and tape and cardstock, and some gold metallic and poster board that I got from Hobby Lobby. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here is the finished card. I think it turned out really nice. Alright, and here is the inside. And it matches the arrow on the front like that. Great masculine card for Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this process video. If you don't know how to make this embellishment, please check out my video that I did a separate tutorial on how to do this. I will include the links below for the die that I use for this part, as well as the little heart, and of course the I guess it's the tree root wood slice. I don't know what it's called, but you get the idea. Very nice. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day.